my 48 Farmall Cub. I'm in the middle of doing an engine overhaul. Piston rings, connecting rod bearings, and a valve job. Hood and gas tank. We've got the engine most of the way torn down. Pistons are out of it. This is an L head, so the valves are in the block. These are the valves. We got a new head for it. Painting that. Farmall red. Oil pan. Original head and air cleaner. 4 pistons. Piston rings. Connecting rod and the rod bearing. Connecting rod end caps and hardware. The original head was cracked, so I brazed it. It gave me about 15 years of service. It was kind of leaking. You can see there a little bit. Leaks antifreeze through the head, through the crack in the head. Kind of see the underneath of the head. So I'm just starting this job. Disassembly as far as I've gotten.